Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. We are a family with small kids, so we need dishes that are unbreakable. So this set is by Slow Hour. This is the evergreen version. I love green, and I love that it has such a variety of colors. So these things are perfect for a family, especially with small kids. There are so many things I love about this set. I can't even talk about it enough. The plates I love are a little bit smaller than the standard plate, which makes you eat not quite as much, because when I see a big plate, I want to fill it. And if you notice, there's a really nice ridge around the plate. So especially when you have kids, stuff falls off the plates easily. This is kind of, it gives it a little bit of a bowl-like. The bowls are also really deep. And the most important thing with dishes in our house is that they are dishwasher safe and microwave safe. So they are both of those. All the dishes have this little ridge pattern on the outside, which especially on the cups gives you a nice little grip, so they're not slippery and kids won't drop them as easily. So if you're on the hunt for some really nice dishes that will not break, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, great for families, this set by Slow Hour. I love it. I'm so happy we have it. It looks so much better in our cabinet. Everything matches, everything stacks really well, and that's my point of view.